Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is Link coin or Chainlink coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So you can see previously the candles went to the resistance level, then fall happened, and then it was moving little sideways, and then breakout happened, then candle started moving in a upward direction. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern now. So this is the support trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So you can see after the breakout the candles went up, fall happened, it taken support here, again it went up, fall happened, again the candles have taken support here, again it has gone up. Now you can see candles are falling continuously. So if you draw the trend line, this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see candles are falling in this channel pattern. Okay, and these candles will fall continuously. Okay, and once the breakout happens, then candles may start moving in the upward direction. So you can see previously the candles have taken support at this level. Okay, and if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line, and if there is a breakout happen, the candles may go up, or else the candles may come down to support here, and then from here it may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so you can see that if you go to the daily chart also, you can see currently you can see candles are moving in this sideways channel pattern, and already the candles have touched the resistance trend line, so the fall may take place. Again the candles may go up, and if the breakout happens, then candles may move little sideways. If there is a breakout happen, then candles may move to the resistance level, which is around 24, and if it goes to this resistance level, which is around 14, and then fall may take place. So like this the candles may move in this channel pattern. Okay, and if there is a breakout happen, it may go up. In case if it doesn't give a breakout, then it may come down to the support level, and from here it may start moving in a upward direction. So you can see that very clearly. Okay, and since the fall is happening now, RSI is also falling. When the reversal takes place, then you may see a breakout. If it stays in this oversold zone, then you will see the candles start falling towards this support level, and then breakout may take place. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see previously also you can see the candles were falling continuously in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance, and you can see after the breakout the candle started moving in a upward direction. Okay, then after the breakout again the candles started falling in this downtrend channel pattern. If there is a breakout happen, it go up, or else it will fall to the support, and then from here it may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. Like you can see the current price is $13.17. It is up by 0.64%. Rank is around 12. Around 1 million users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $9.33 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is $194.82 million. It is down by 62%, and the maximum supply is 1 billion link coin, and total supply is 1 billion link coins, and the circulating supply is 708.09 million link coins. So now I'll go to the chart, and you can see I'm in the monthly chart. So after seeing this technical analysis, what do you think? Is that breakout is going to happen, or it may fall? Further, share your thoughts on this, and what next video you want to watch. So share the details. I'll make a video as soon as possible, and see you then in the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.